Oh, look at that. ARVALA have sent me a scooter. I've never had an ARVALA before. Let's open up and find out what's inside. This is the C Pro. And let's take a look. Pull off all the styrofoam, get that out of the way. We got a box. Inside the box, we've got bolt protectors for the wheels. We've got a little multi-tool. We've got a manual, user C Pro manual, and we've got a 2 amp hour charging brick. Awesome, I'm gonna put this stuff aside. Looks like we got a little beat up in transit, but the foam protected the scooter by looks of things. All right, let's see here. Looks like this is the stem. And I put the stem up. Just gonna lift it up out. Nothing else in the box. Wow, it looks like quite the beast of a scooter. Stem itself is quite robust. It's really wide, but let's see if we can't just set the stem up now. All right, that looks pretty straightforward to put together, but I'm gonna take a few moments now. It looks like we've got 4 bolts here to unscrew, and then I'll mount the actual handlebar on. Then we're gonna turn it on and see what it looks like. Okay, at the moment of truth, it looks like I've got a bunch of things on here to just adjust, like the brakes. But as I look at it, let's just power it up and see what happens here. I've got a power button here, a power button here, and we've got the NFC card reader up here. Let's go through we've got 1, 2, 3 gears, up and down. On the left-hand side, we've got the light on and off. We've got turn signals and hazards. And we have a horn. Not super loud. An eco and turbo button. And a dual motor and single motor button. And when I tighten this up, cute little bell. So we've got mechanical brakes. What sets this particular scooter apart from other similar looking scooters in the marketplace, number 1, I noticed right away, is the color. That yellow is really bright. Number 2, I see that it's got 2 charging ports on the deck, and they're on the upside of the deck. They're not on the sides. I like that. Number 3, this is a 26 amp hour battery with a 52 volt actual motor system. So plenty of range. Like that must be about 1350 watt hours. So it's a huge battery. And the last thing is the diameter or the width, the size of this actual stem. It's absolutely huge. It's, I mean, it's obviously quite a beefy design of a scooter. I like that. It's going to be really strong by the look of things for us big guys. But other than that, mechanical brakes. So it does not have hydraulic brakes on this particular model, but you can get a 60 volt version with the hydraulic brakes. So if that's something you're more interested in, going 60 volt with hydraulic, they do have that as an option. As this so far looks really exciting. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. It also looks like it's got an adjustable, oh look at that, adjustable handlebars too, with double clamps. Oh, they've been really thinking this thing through. So I'm really excited by this. I think this is going to be quite a big guy, surprisingly good scooter. So anywho, once I've got all the bolts all tightened up down here, checking all the bolts as well, one of the last things I do is I check the tire pressure and just ensure that everything's right up to code or right up to the proper tire pressure. And if you haven't tried one of these, this is the Ryobi tire inflator. Oh my goodness, it is so fast. It literally takes seconds. It's super powerful. And so if you do actually need something like this, I'll put a link down below. I just love this thing. It's amazing. Full review coming up really soon.